Hey everybody, how's life getting on? Today I'm going to show you how to clean phone speakers. If the phone speaker is not very dirty, you can use an antistatic brush to remove dust or dirt from its surface. Just run the brush a few times over the speaker. If dirt gets stuck in the speaker grille or gets inside, you will need to do an additional manual cleaning or with a special app. Cleaning with the special app is the playback of a sound signal of different frequencies, which allows you to remove the dust that has entered inside. Not all phones have this feature. If your phone doesn't have this feature, you must use a special app. Open Google Play. Type speaker cleaner in the search bar. Choose the right application. They are all similar. Select auto or manual mode and start cleaning. If the speaker is very dirty, try cleaning it a few times and use different modes. Also, you can clean an ear speaker. Just toggle the button. Now I'll show you how to clean the phone speaker manually. You can use a hand vacuum. Set the brush head and clean the speaker. Do not press hard so as not to damage the speaker. The bristles should not touch the speaker so as not to damage it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and ask questions in the comments. Have a nice day.